I'm Dr. Lutz Mary, Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I'm going to take the topic bug reporting, bug life cycle for the subject software testing and automation. First of all, we'll see what is bug reporting. So, what is a bug? Bug can be defined as the abnormal behavior of the software. See, a bug or defect is a specific concern about the quality of the software. The elimination of bugs from the software depends upon the efficiency of testing done. A bug report contains device logs, stack traces, and other diagnostic information to help you find and fix bugs in your application. To capture a bug report from your device, use the Take Bug Report developer option on the device and the Android emulator menu, or the ADB bug report command on your development. Bug reports are one of the most visible work products of the tester. The purpose of writing a bug report is to identify an item that requires additional activity. So it may be it has further investigation or resolution. So those doing the investigation may be under considerable time pressure and not disposed towards taking on more work. When you write a bug report, you have to be effectively trying to convince someone to do something. So you have to motivate the user to write the software tester to write the effective report on this. So both the content and the positioning of your bug report have a significant bearing on whether your bug will be resolved or ignored. So what are the types of bugs present? Functional bugs, logical bugs, workflow bugs, unit level bugs, system level integration bugs, out of bound bugs, security bugs. We'll see one by one. Functional bugs refers to defects or issues in software applications that affect their intended functionality. Logical bugs, that may be software logical errors. Workflow bugs, the workflow may be incomplete or it may not correlate with the workflow. Unit level, so it may be related to the system level component, the chip level or the program level. The integration will have its own bugs. Then out of bound, so array index out of bound. Then security bug will be there. See a bug model error bug failure symptoms. Failure symptom conditions. So someone make a mistake, this manifests as a bug in the software. When the software is executed with the right set of conditions, a failure occurs. Different conditions may result in the same, a different or no failure. The tester observes failures, not errors. So how to keep in mind, the failures is not an error or bug. One of the most common reasons for the rejection of bug report is it cannot be able to reproduce. So the term is very important. It has to be reproduced, then only you can able to identify the bug. You can rectify the bug. So the conditions that lead to the failure may have little to do with the conditions set by the test itself. Example, something left over from the previous test, configuration or data, something that happened in the background. The test that lead to the failure being observed may contain a lot of noise, steps and conditions that are irrelevant to the failure. Follow-up testing and production. Testers observe failures, not errors or bugs. So under certain conditions, the bug may not give rise to a failure at all. The same bug may give rise to a variety of different failures under different conditions. Follow-up testing is solution. As a summary, a bug report is one of the tester's most important product. A bug report is intended to influence someone as a need to perform additional work. Testing does not stop the observation of a failure. Follow-up testing is required before an effective bug report is needed. Follow-up is needed everywhere. So reporting with credibility and an approach tone is essential if you are to be taken seriously as a tester. Next we will see, so what is a bug life cycle? In software development process, a bug has a life cycle. A bug should go through the life cycle to be closed. So a bug execute different states, different states: new, open, assign, test, verified, deferred, reopen, reject and closed. So new, open, assigned, open, fixing, pending, retest, verified, duplicate, rejected, deferred, a bug. So, what is new? Potential defect that is raised and yet to be validated, assigned against a development team to address it but not yet is solved. So, active is the defect is being addressed by the developer and the investigation is under progress. At this stage, there are two possible outcomes. So, deferred or rejected. Test. The defect is fixed and ready for test. The defects that is retested and the test has been verified by the quality analyst. So closed is a final state of the defect that can be closed after the quality assurance retesting or can be closed if the defect is duplicate or considered as not a defect. Reopen when the defect is not fixed. The quality assurance reopens or reactivates the cells. What is meant by deferred? Deferred state is when a defect cannot be addressed in that particular life cycle. So if it is deferred to future release. Rejected. A defect can be rejected for any of the three reasons. It may be a duplicate defect, not a defect, or not non-reproducible. As a summary, the tester report bugs to the programmers. The problem report forms are commonly used. If the report is not clear and understandable, the bug will not get fixed. So, have to write a fully effective report, how to explain, how to reproduce the problem, analyze the error so that it can be described with a minimum number of steps. Write a report that is complete, easy to understand. This is one of the responsibility of the software tester. Thank you.